Now I can be heard. Had a bit of technical difficulty there. Righty ho. Let's give it a couple of minutes. Doing a couple of checks, making sure I can be heard this time. Hopefully that's the case. Okay. Bit of a sip of the old energy drink going down the hatch. Okay. Now I was going to start the stream, boys and girls, with some questions and answers for Browser Automation Studio, but I went to fire up the Browser Automation Studio and there's a new version available. It's been going about 20 minutes now and we're at 50%. So hopefully by next year it'll be ready for action. So in the meantime, I'm going to start some work on a script I've been working on in Autoit. Got quite a few things to take care of. So yeah, the time here is 2:41 a.m. and I'm just getting started. So yeah, just going to give it a couple minutes. I'm just checking a few things. I had to stop the stream because there was no sound apparently. Hopefully there's some good old sound now. Doing some checks and I'll get started. La la la. Yep, I can hear myself doing the checks. That's all good. I likey, I likey. Okay. Let's put this down. Right, I think I'm about ready to go. Just one more sip of the old energy drink, boys and girls, and we'll be back on it. The technical difficulties are over, I think now. I think the sound's working. Just a sip of the old energy drink. Right then. So as I said, boys and girls, I was going to answer a few questions that are Browser Automation Studio related. Can't do that right now. There's an update going on. They've just released a new update. It's been updating for about the last 20 or 30 minutes. It's at 52%. It's always the case. Lovely. So in the meantime, pop that down there. I'm just going to do some work on something. This is not Browser Automation Studio based. This is Autoit. So if you've been following my channel, you know I do work on that as well. Autoit is a scripting language. It's free of charge. Download it. I'm using the ISN IDE, which I find really good. I only just found out about the actual IDE a couple of weeks ago, actually. So it's really good. I like it as a development stage. Now, what am I actually doing? Well, here's the thing. I've wanted to get into doing mass videos. What do I mean by mass videos? By basically making a video and being able to upload it more than once onto YouTube, but targeting different keywords per video. Now, there is software already out there that does this. Okay, however, it's normally a case of you put in a load of pictures, images, sounds, and all that kind of thing, and it just puts them together in different orders, spins them every time, and then you get hundreds of different variations. You get hundreds of videos, but they're just like slideshows, okay? Um, and they don't look that good. They're okay. What I really want is to be able to record a video like this. That's I can review a product or service, and then make that unique. Okay, so that I could upload that lots of times without getting hit by the YouTube filter, so that I can rank videos for many different keywords instead of just a single keyword. So that's the idea behind it. I'm using Autoit to do that. Do this. So yeah, I've got some of it done. This is not how it's going to end up. This should be obviously in functions, but nope. At the moment, I'm just trying to get it working. So I forgot where I got to, so I'm just gonna open shot like so. Okay. Are you gonna open? Okay. So at the moment, the bot just comes in and it will put a video here and then another one so that we can get ready to combine them. Or actually, it doesn't. It actually takes the video that I want to use and then it's going to then add an image to the stuff that we can use. And then eventually I want to move it down to right there. Put it here into the actual where the video is made and then make it create the video. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. So let's. Okay, where's the actual tingling? Yeah, okay. So I'll just move that over here. Give that an F5 to run. Boom. So it clicks over there. Opening up, good. Opens up the thing. Import file. And it should type in the file. Yep. That will always remain the same. It's always going to be whatever the first video is. It's going to open again. It's going to go to a folder and then pick a random image. So that's my stock of stuff. And then it loads up the timeline to be able to add these. That's as far as I've got. So what I want to do is have it so it puts the video that I want to use and the image onto the timeline. So that's what I'm going to start working on now. So basically, the idea behind this is to always use obviously the video that I want people to see. Then at the end of the video, I'm going to add a image or a sound or a very short GIF or video clip. And then I'm going to change the settings for that for each video that's made. Okay, and then so they become unique. So then I can export loads of these videos, but for each one, the video is going to have a different name, which is going to be the keyword that I want to rank for. And then there's going to be a separate bot eventually that uploads all these videos. So trying to game the system, as always. Right. Let's have a little looky here then. Right, I'm just going to look through this. This is all going to be put into nice little functions in the end. Obviously, it's a bit of a mess at the moment. So it gets there. Then I'm going to want it for now. I'm just going to have it click. I'm always going to have this in the top corner. So I'm just going to use the built-in orbit tool. Find out where that is. Okay, position is there. So really barbaric at the moment, meaning it's kind of like this all needs to be put into functions and changed a bit. But I just want it roughly done. Then we can we can get into making it a lot more polished, so to speak. So then I'm gonna wanna I'm gonna do mouse click. And then I'm going to say left. And then we're going to do the, oh no. Then we do the coordinates for 6. And then I'm going to do 192. Okay, and I don't want that there. NR sleeps. And asleep. Forgotten which order things do. Okay, we can test again in a sec. That's not a problem. So let's get rid of this tool. Move this. Remove. Save. Okay, so it moves. Lovely. Opens the project, good. It's going to type in the main video that we want. That's never going to change. Adds that, then it's going to open the other folder and it's going to pick one of the images that are in there at random. Okay, there you go. Then, yes, then it clicks. That was the right position. Then it should... Oh, it doesn't like it once you've done that. Right, okay. So... So I'm going to right click on it. And then, so when you right click, then to add to timeline is capital T. So, oh, my voice is going. It's what happens when you're working all day and then, yeah, what's the time now? 10 to 3. Right, ho, let's try that. Okay, let's get rid of these. Boom, boom. Save. Run that ting. Boom. Over to there. It's going to open the file. It's going to grab the main video, the video that we're going to use every time. Just wax it into the file name. And then it's going to pick one of the pictures at random from the other folder. Nice. Click there. That's the timeline. Oh, okay, that's where it's getting stuck. Okay. Right, it needs to wait there, that's why. Let's make this really long for now. Make sure it works. Okay. Oh, again. Let's go again. What I'm trying to do is get that first video to add to the timeline. Okay. Nice. Still doesn't like it. Still don't like it. Having more trouble now. The microphone's going to fall off in a sec. Deary me, it's not been a good night for the old technical difficulties. Right ho, so it's not liking that. I'm going to change. I'm actually going to change it on the actual program. I'm just going to have to remember that I've done these changes when I move this program to a server. No problem. So I can change this. I think it's not coming out as a capital, so I have to reset. That's not a problem. Nope. No need to save. Open shot. Okay. Right ho then. Save this. See if that makes any difference. Okay, added, nice. Okay. Still doesn't like it. Still doesn't like it. Okay. So mouse click, sleep, T. Ah, because now it's me. Okay. Guess what we're gonna do next, guys? Do it again. Run that again. Okay. Now click. Yes. Now please add the timeline. Oh, why you do that? Okay, so let's see if I did it by hand. Press T now. No, that's why. That is why. No problem. Okay, now we know. And if you know, you know. Let me think. Okay, so what I'm going to do is preferences, keyboard, and for add to timeline. It doesn't like if it's just letters. What about if it was just, no, because we use comma a lot. Oh dear. Loads of keys and I can't. Do I want to use backslash? Should we use it? Do I want to use a number or do I? Is there anything else using numbers? Oh, I can use F keys. What about if we just, for now, just to get it working, just hit the old 5. Oh, it wants me to reset. Okay. No. Open shot. Okay, how are we doing with the... Oh, I think it's done. The download for the new Bass version. Test it in a sec. Just going to get through this part. Hi Coda, I've just seen your message. Give me 1 second while I'm on this train of thought, and I will answer your question, young man. I can start calling people young man all the time now, so I'm going to turn 40 next month. Yeah, boy, old man on the job. Right, go. Whack that in. Oh, no, 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 stop, please, stop. Okay, it would help if I change the actual script over to send the 5 key instead of the T key. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Choose the main video. Boom. Let's whack in the random image. Cool. It seems to pick that one a lot, even though it's random. Okay, 5. Just not gonna do it, are you? Just not gonna do it. Okay, let's see what's up. See what's up. If I press that and press 5, yeah, it doesn't. Doesn't work if I do it manually. Okay, let's stop for a little sip of energy drink. Coda, my main man. It should drop. It's all ready to drop. I just have to literally put the pages from, what do you call it? From private to visible. But there's going to be an influx of buyers, so I need to be at hand. It is 3 a.m. here in the Philippines. I've got a lot to handle, so it'll be my tomorrow, which I don't know where you are in the world, but it probably will be your Saturday still, depending. That's just me guessing. I'm totally guessing where you're from, but normally my viewers are like USA or UK, so depending on where you are, it'll still probably be your Saturday. Okay. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. So let's see. Let's have a look. So I could just do a drag on it and drag it down, but that could be problematic. Always is when you use drag. So let me do it manually just import a file. So if it was there, right, that's strange. You're supposed to be able to. What about if I was just off of it? Can I do it now? What happens if I was just clicking it? Still not? Okay. Doesn't like that. If I'm here. Right. Okay, so from there I can. So what happens if I press 5 on here? Yes. Right. Got it. Got it. So wait a minute. If I get rid of this. You're in the Netherlands, Kodak. So I think you're back home +1, UK +1. Is it +1? You must be able to. I can swim to you from England. I can swim to you. So it'll be your Saturdays. Just you might be sleeping, but I presume you're on the Discord or on the YouTube channel or on the mailing list, so you will be notified. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Let me do it in the correct order. Files. Let's go. Main videos. Boom. And then add. Import files. And then if we go back and then side images, pick one. Then so if we went here and then we press 5. This thing is it doesn't right, so you have to select first. So select that on 5, then it's gonna no, it's not. If I hit OK then no, because it's not. That's strange. 5. Ah, but you can. Right, so no need to right click or left click. Just select the video. Coda, are you trying to insinuate that I couldn't swim from the UK to where you are in the Netherlands? Please, I could do that before lunch. No, you're right. It's just not happening. I know. How about you move to France? Then maybe I could manage it. Because I think the narrowest point between England and France is 23 miles, is it? Something like that. Netherlands, I'm dead. Yeah. Yep, you're all on free. You're on all three. Nice one. Yep, you will be notified. Whatever one you're on, you'll be notified. And I'll be doing a YouTube video going through what's on the course, so you'll know for sure, for sure. So then, if I get rid of these, I've got it now. I'm sure. I've got it. So get rid of these. Let's get this back up. Now let's right click. And then let's have a long sleep just to make sure it works. Press F5. That should be right. He said it should be right about 100 times now. So let's see. Okay, opens up. Lovely. Yeah, Coda, I get that question all the time, but the course is supposed to have come out a couple of months ago, so everyone's anxiously waiting. I probably get about 12 emails a day and 4 or 5 people on Discord asking, which is fine. Okay, so it clicks. Right, then we need the 5. Click, then 5. I swear I just had it working. Right, okay. So we're gonna have to go over there. That's strange. I wonder why it won't let you just there, but if I've got that open and I press 5, it works. Who am I to question this? Okay. Who do I think I am? Right, okay, so there, and then it's gonna sleep, and then we don't. Okay, you're gonna go over to there, which is just the. Let's just copy that from before, and then. Whoa, what's that bleeping sound? Something's happened. Something's happened. This is like the second time that I've used Steam Labs as well. Thank you to Chris Dudge for following me on Facebook. Thanks a lot. Lovely jubbly. Oh, the Steam Labs thing. So I get notified when someone does an action. It's supposed to come up with an animation and stuff, but I didn't see it come up on the screen. So anyway, sorry Chris, you didn't get to see an animation fly across the screen of you joining. However, thanks a lot, mate. Appreciated the follow. Right, okay, so I need to sleep. Okay, so open that. Then it's going to wait and then press the 5. And then we should sleep again just to make sure that we can see it working. There's a lot of sleeping going along. Okay, let's see this go now. Okay. Okay, I like it, I like it. Clicked. Oh my days. Right, okay. Yeah. Left, Alt, and F. What's your problem? What is your problem? Whoa, at last. Okay, so I've been waiting for the Browser Automation Studio update. I think it's been about 45 minutes that took. Okay, I'll jump on that in a second to answer a couple of BAS related questions. Okay. So when it clicks, then if I go, that's why. Okay, if that's highlighted, it doesn't do the F thing anyway. Right. If I click off of it, oh no, it's supposed to Alt F. Yeah, it should work. Strange. Okay. Um, Magma. Yeah, let's give it one more. Okay, clicks fine. Okay, this bit works perfectly. Oh no, I forgot to delete the stuff that was already on there. Okay. Okay, that's fine. So it clicks, that does that fine. It's not doing the... Right, okay. When it does that though, can we... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm just going to do it the long way around for now. This has got to be really refined because it's crazy. So let's get rid of that. And then we can just simulate the down key a few times. Not ideal. Is it just down, or do we have to put the brackets on for down? I forget. Let's have a look. What's the last thing I looked up as well? Dearie me. Is down just down, or is it squig? Yeah, it's fine. It is in the brackets. Okay, that answered my question. Right, so let's get rid of you. That's it, perfect. This is a terrible way to do things, guys. Don't copy me. I just need the bot working, and then I can finesse it. All this needs to go into functions. This is yuck. Let's just say that. Okay, so go down, down, down. To make it sleep, so I can make sure that that's worked, and then I can add on the changes. Okay. Let's see what that. No, stop, please stop, Mr. Bot. Okay. Remove. Get out of here, Right, okay. Let's go. Let's get it done, son. Okay. This bit works fine. It could be sped up, which I'm going to do. Nice. Yes. Good. And then I guess we could just hit enter on that. So send, and then enter. Why you not go? That's not right. That is not right. Why you not go? Why haven't you changed colour? Why? Right, yo. Back to the send information. Send key list. Enter is in squiggles though. Yeah, enter. Oh. Because I haven't put this in brackets. In parentheses. Okay. Slowly but surely. Okay. Try number 8652. Let's go. Okay, open. Okay. Brilliant. Love that. Click. Nice. Nice, exactly. And for this, we always want it to go to this at the start. So I think by pressing enter, it'll add it. Yeah, that's great. So okay, then sleep again. All these sleeps, these long sleeps, obviously these will be cut down, or lots of them we can get rid of. It's just so I can check while I'm debugging. Debugging. Okay, and then this. Start putting these into functions later on because this looks messy. So lazy, doesn't even type it Outlook. Copy and paste. Save. Okay. So now hopefully it will take the main part of the video and it will put it onto the timeline now. Let's make sense. Let's see. Okay. Nice. Open a second file and it picks one of these at random. Okay. It should hit OK and it should be added to the timeline. Nice. Lovely. Woot woot. At last. So that works fine. Then what I want to start doing is then it's going to click here. I'm just going to do it really barbaric and just have it move and click to start with. Yeah. Okay. Grab the tool, the lovely auto tool, so we know where things are going. I'm going to move it slightly over here so it definitely clicks this one and not one of the other ones. So there will do 486 200. So I think what I can do is get to there, copy. This needs to be different, of course. 486. What we got? 200, wasn't it? Yep. Okay. This can go now, I believe. Below is to add the image. Okay. Cool beans. Okay, so let's remove this. Let's remove everything. So it hits enter. More sleepings. Just 2 seconds. Okay. Let's see how we get on here. Oops. So move the mouse. Let's go again. Nice. Okay, click the first one. Add to timeline. Nice. Oh. Where did that come in? Didn't want that in there. Caused a bug. Guess what we're going to do now? Again. Right ho. There you go. Add to timeline. Hit OK. Now pick the second image. Add to timeline. Okay, so that's where it gets to. Now, I need these to be your randoms. I need this to change. It actually puts it in at the right time. I think so anyway. No, no. Right, okay, that's where we're gonna have. Oops. What am I doing? Okay, so obviously we don't want it to go on top. So it's going to come on like here. It's going to add to timeline. This could be any time between, long as it's after when this finishes, because it doesn't matter if it gets seen or not. It doesn't matter. It's only to make the video unique. Okay, I'm pushed for time. Shall I just do this bit or move on to Browser Automation Studio? Let's just so I'm at a spot that I can continue on. I'm going to create the variables up here. I'm going to have local random start time. Random start, that would be fine. And then image length in seconds. So I'm going to do another local variable, and then it's going to be image length. And then that's all I really need to do. That just fills what needs to happen. That's fine. Okay. So these are going to be filled up with random times, or random numbers, I should say, integers, so that these could be changed. Be a random placement of this, and then this will be random as well. Okay, I'm going to leave this one here because I want to go through a question with Browser Automation Studio. This has been done in AutoIt, by the way. So check out the Discord. If you're not part of the Discord channel, the link's in the description. Make sure that you are. We've got a whole section for AutoIt. AutoIt's a great little scripting language. You can just do about anything with Windows programs and also the web as well. So it's really good. When I say the web, I mean browser automation. I don't mean make web-based applications. Okay, so I'm going to save that. Exit for now. Yes. Exit. Save changes. No thanks. Right. Browser Automation Studio. So it's all updated. That's nice. Let me just make a note of the time because of the change. I mean, change of topic is what I meant. How long I've been recording for? How long? 4650. So 4650. So Browser Automation Studio question that had come in. So someone asked on the Discord, how do you use spun text and insert variables into text? So basically, if you're outputting something onto maybe a comment, how can you make it spun text? Or if you're using spun text to leave comments, etc. So what you'd want to do is, let's just make a resource and let's call it the text. Okay. Let's have that as a fixed string. Sorry, no, a random string, so that we can modify it. Okay. And for the default value, we are just going to put in so spun text, I'm sure everyone knows, well, not sure everyone knows, most people know, spun text is using the parentheses, curly brackets, and then if I put hi, and then put a down pipe, hello, hey, like so, and then close the curly brackets like that, then what's going to happen is when the bot comes along and needs to use this text, it's either going to pick hi, hello, or hey, one of them at random. So you can make unlimited amount of texts. Okay? So I'm going to put hey, hello, Dean, Carl, Lee. How are you now? Today. Okay, that should get the point across. Okay, so by doing that, I'm going to put finish. If I hit record, give it a second, make this larger. So then, we have our editor here. So what you could do is you can come over, let me just think a second, is tools, and then it's, no, it's not. Has it got its own section? I swear it's been moved. What's under tools? Ah, that's caught me off guard. That has caught me off guard. What have they done with it? What's happened? What's happened? Okay, let's have a look. Oh, they've changed the capture resolving as well. Okay, something to look at in a minute. Nice. They've got a separate section for function. They've put it so you have to enable reCAPTCHA. Okay, I just done it anyway. Okay, I think the reason is there's been some problems with the browser. If you don't need to have reCAPTCHA on, then don't have it on. I think that's what it said in the reCAPTCHA module is now enabled. It can reduce Authenticity. Ah, okay. So it's recommended to turn it on unless you're going to work with reCAPTCHA. That's a good idea, boys at Bass. Nice, I like it. Okay, I've turned it on anyway. Not that I'm going to be using it at all for this. So, right, where were we? Ah, yeah. I'm looking for the item that was called templates. I'm sure it was in the toolbox. What has happened to it? What has happened, eh? Have they got rid of it? Please, no. Please, nah. Let's have a look. So, what have they done with it? Okay. Wow. Don't tell me they've got rid of it. Why? I don't know why I keep doing this when I could just template. Oh, right. Okay. It's in the It's in the new string section. Nice. Okay. So, if you just joined, what I'm showing is I had a question by a Discord member asking how you can use spun text and how you can use variables inside a text. So I presume that's for if you're doing mass comments or you're doing something like that anyway, and you need your post to be unique every time. So what I could do is in the template I could insert for the first instance. I could use the text that we used, and then I'll just output it to log template result. Okay, so what I've done here, let me just come from the start, go to the start, always a good place. So I've made a resource called the text. Okay, so when you hit record, you're able to put your spun text in here. Let me just save. So you can put your spun text in here, like so. And then what you do is use the template module, okay? And inside this box, what do you want to use? Or in other words, what do you want to use to start spinning? Then I've just put in the resource, the text. So whatever's in that text box, it's going to use. And then it's going to output the result into a variable called template result. Okay, so we can go like that, and then it's going to log out whatever the template result is. Just like that. Hi Carl, how are you today? So hi could have been hey. In fact, let's do it again. Let's do it again. So the first time it was hey Kyle, how are you today? Let's run it again. This time we get hi Carl, how are you today? Oh, it's going to be the same each time because we're not reloading the result. Yeah, it's going to stick with the same, what was in the same thread. So if we come out here and we just go again, so to speak, hit record, same text, and then we just go across, down. Hey Carl, how are you now? Okay, you see it changes, so it just picks from them, from the words that you put into the box. So record. So whatever you put in here, that's what we use to put into the template. So it's going to take that text and then use that in the template system, and it's going to convert that spun text into a sentence, and then it's going to put the result into a variable called template result, and then we've told it to log out the result. So boom, boom. Hello Lee, how are you now? Hello Lee, how are now? Doesn't make sense, but I think you get the idea. And to use variables in there, all you'd need to do is literally come in and tick the box, additional process, and use the option if you want to load from file or variable. So if you have all three of them done, you could put in any variable or any resource in here included, and it would be able to process them as well, like it's done with the spun text. And that's it. That's all you need to do to be able to use Spontext in any situation, be it on social media or to mass comment, etc., etc. So you want to use the template option. So come in here, don't look around like a fool like I did. Just type template, and it's the first one here, and it's actually in the new string box in the new, yeah, the string function box here. Okay, so I hope that answered the question. There you go. Okay guys, it is now 3:36. I have got a lot of projects, client projects to finish up and shoot videos for, so it's going to be a bit of a short screen. I'm going to leave it there. Please, if this has been useful to you, you can leave a tip for me. Everything's in the description. Link to the website. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel or follow, whatever the case, depending on where you are, and I will catch you guys in the next stream, which will be tomorrow. I'll have a lot more time then to get into a lot more different projects. I just need to catch up with some stuff and get the course released. If you want to get notified about the course, make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, or make sure that you are a member of the botempire.com, which is free. The link's in the description, or make sure you're part of the Discord channel.